So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can clean powdery pockets. First, these are the things that you need. You need a newspaper, you need hand gloves, you need water wipes without alcohol, 100%, 90% water, tape or any packaging tape, Q-tip, tablecloth, and your bag that you need to clean. This is Marley. It has two dry pockets inside, or powdery pockets rather. So pocket inside and pocket outside. So first you need to set up your workspace. It is best to use plastic tape, a cloth for your workspace. And of course your newspaper. This is for your mess, for dirty, for used hand gloves, for the dirt, for everything that is going out of your bag. And then you need to put on your hand gloves. This is to protect your nails, because the dirt coming out of your bag is sometimes difficult to remove, so it's best to protect your nails. And of course your bag that needs to be cleaned. So in this case, the Marley has two dried pockets, so you need packaging tape. Any tape that you have at home is okay. So you need to roll it on your fingers. Okay, and then on the sticky or on the dried pockets of your bag, dab. As you can see, it's really dry. Dab the tape lightly. Please be careful not to ruin or to destroy your inside lining. Okay, especially for the vintage bags, you need to be careful not to scrub really hard, otherwise they could be destroyed. So also you can also use, instead of tape, you can use the water wipes. Some people prefer water wipes than tape. Okay, also be careful of the vachetta of your bags, especially if you're working with the monograms, because with water wipes they can get really dark. So just like the tape, so dab it lightly to remove all the dried or the peeling inside your bag. And again, please be careful not to destroy the inside lining of your bag. So do this step until everything is removed. So if everything is removed, look, this is everything that's come out of the bag. That one bag only. So that's why newspaper is important for this mess. Okay, so it's important to, of course, to clean your cloth. That's why plastic is really nice to use, because it's very easy to clean. So clean it first. So after cleaning the cloth or the plastic, so this is your finished product. As you can see, all of the powdery leather is removed. So, and then the outside pocket, it's also clean. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Bye.